Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Suite. Today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin and what it's doing, what you can expect next. And we're also going to be taking a look at a couple of altcoins. So before we actually dive deep into the technicals, please make sure to head on over to YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated to the hottest trends, make sure to click the bell icon. Right, you can also follow us on Twitter at FX Crypto and myself at Monkeyco with the 0 at the end. Right, coming back to Bitcoin, right? The last time we discussed this video was on Friday, probably 3 days ago, and as mentioned, right, like I was expecting, actually it was yesterday, it was Monday, but I was taking a look at the current Monday's low and trying to form a Monday's high and see what's going to happen next, right? And so far we have the Monday's highs and the Monday's low set here, as you can see here. Let me just Right, so far we've swept the previous Monday's lows, and we haven't swept the previous Monday's highs yet. Right, so what we're going to do is right now we formed a range here. This is the Monday's high at 40,627 and the Monday's lows at 38.51. Right, so far we've swept the Monday's high, so I'm expecting the price to head back lower. Although I'm not expecting it to sweep the Monday's lows, I think there could be some sort of a stabilization around here at 39,289. Right, and the reason why I don't expect it to come all the way down to 38K is because the price did show some interesting accumulation pattern here. Usually when price does this, so usually when price forms a swing low and then breaks that key level, it is basically doing that to collect liquidity, and it is a signal. It's a basic tactic employed by kind of market makers, or like even if you don't want to think of it as market makers move, you can just think of it as a signal which indicates that the price is going to move higher, right? And your confirmation that the price is going to move higher is you have to wait for the price to go above the key high that was formed here, and then you wait for the price to retrace down, and this is where you enter long, right? And that's exactly what happened here. As you can see here, price formed a key low, it broke that, and then we broke above the key high over here, and now we're going to come back down, stabilize around this level, right? So that's what's going to happen. That's what I believe is going to happen, right? So let me just take this off. Let me just mark this as a key market structure break. And what's going to happen next is I'm expecting the price to head back down to this level, stabilize around here. And then again, right, I'm expecting a similar setup to be formed here. Price does this, comes back down, does something like this. This is where I'm going to be entering long. And I'm expecting the price to head up to at least 45K. And the reason for that is because the liquidity rusting above these highs. So basically, liquidity rusting above this high was collected as price mode over here. And liquidity rusting above these highs were collected over here. Above these highs collected here. So this level and this level has completely been untouched, as you can see here. So all of these levels are untouched. This level is untouched. So for now, I think if you're a conservative person who wants to long Bitcoin somewhere around 39-ish K, then you can take profits around 43K, 43.5K. But if you want to play it a little risky and if you want to keep the position open, you can book profits at 44.5K, right? And okay, the last place where I saw the distribution occur was somewhere around here. The price formed a triple tap setup over here, right? So there could be a good place, like there could be another place to book profits, which is somewhere around here, which is 45.2K, right? So I'm not gonna keep my positions open up to 45K, but I'll be booking profits around 44.5K. That's so. To sum up my views from a one-hour time frame perspective, I'm expecting Bitcoin to retrace at least 3%, and this is where I'm going to be entering long. And I will book profits over here, which is 44.5K, roughly 6K, and I'm going to be keeping my stop loss at 38.151, right? And a confluence for this setup here is if you go on the 12-hour time frame, there is this demand zone. Right, so my entry is well below the demand zone, which is interesting. So if the price is bullish, right, the price is not gonna dig deeper into this demand zone. At least it's not going to go beyond the 50% of this candlestick body, which is somewhere around 39.1K. So this actual demand zone is another confluence of this long position. So all in all, I think things are looking pretty good here for Bitcoin. And just this would be a good opportunity for people to long on a lot of altcoins, as well as for Bitcoin. So that is pretty much it for this session of Bitcoin analysis. If you enjoyed this content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.